with episode 2 of getting clapped by zombies, also known as Resident Evil 3. And yeah, I mean, hopefully I'll start getting good in this episode because I need to dodge. I need to learn how to dodge, or just stop dodging in general.
This must be the subway company's offices.
Yeah, it's cool and all, but I just want some clippers, some snips. Snippy bot. Wait, hold on. What's this? Okay, cool. Oh. Oh, what are you? Okay.
Nothing.
All right, then where do I go? Hold up. Okay. Let me just Google something real quick. Hold up. Okay, hold up. I'll be like right back. Alright, boys, I'm back. I don't know why I said boys, but, alright, I just went on YouTube real quick to see how to get, I'm sorry, yes, wow, okay, I know I used a YouTube tutorial, but, I just really want that shotgun, you see, and apparently they're down there. Yo, bitch. Yo. Okay, I ain't got any badass lines to say. So, kablam. I swear to God, if you get up, I will quit this game right now. Okay, good. Alright, yo. What the fuck? I'm this way, fam. Boy, where you going? Come on, big man. Get up. I know you ain't dead. I know you, I can hear you. Okay, I thought I could hear him breathing. Apparently I'm hearing shit. Wait, hold up, what? Hold up. I saw on the thing and they were like right here. Hold up. Okay, that was in the, okay, hold up, okay. I'll be back again, sorry. You know what? No, screw this. I don't need no, YouTube tutorials tell me what to do. I'll find it out. And if I don't, then I'm just a bit special at... Oh, and them herbs. No, they are not. One thing I need. The game's like, hold up, how about we don't give you that? Okay. Mad skills. Shit. Oh, hello. Oh, that's pretty good, that, I'm not gonna lie. I actually got most of my shots, I think. That could be me ignoring the fact that I probably missed like 7 shots, but... Hey, hello. Alright, boys, how are you doing? Alright. Let's put this fire out. That... Yes. Reactivate the power out of this stock. Oh, bolt cutters, I know exactly what I'm doing. Give me those. Yep. I know exactly what I'm doing with you. Overwrite that. Alright.
Is someone in here?
I don't care, I'm getting a shotgun. Just like, oh, someone in there? Oh, I don't care, I'm gonna get my shotgun. Okay. Alright, boys. I'm going. Oh, okay. There might be a problem here. Actually, yeah, come this way, come on. Yep. Oh, so we have a man guarding the... Yo, you, come on. Come on, big boy. Okay, shotgun. Shotgun is in here, right? Right? Yeah, it was. Come on. Alright, bolt cutters, let's go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Can I, like, reload? No? Yeah, that's fine. Oh, hello. Bitch. You could get up. Damn, you're looking a bit pale. Alright, now I feel like I can defend myself. Because I have a soft spot for shotguns in all games. Mainly because they kill things good. Especially zombies. Yo, look at me. Alright, fine. Surprise, motherfucker. Okay, alright, big boy. Hello. How are you still? Hey, oh, that was a waste. You better stay dead. Yeah, hold. Bitch. Are you dead? How did that kill you? I'm not complaining. I love this shotgun so much. Alright, lads. Just stand in there. I'm not gonna come back. Yo, hold up. Oh, I thought I saw something there. Okay, let's just save the game one more time. No, yes, I want to save it. Please. Thank you. Okay. Alright, I really hope Nemesis won't, like, come and, like, hello then. No. get me real good. Hello?
You're UBCS?
Yeah, careful, careful.
Aye.
Come on, don't look at me like that, alright? I'm not an
Okay,
infected.
let's take care
No,
of
no, 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 wait, please!
What the fuck
What the fuck?
are you?
He might have been infected.
Oh, stars, this soft. No wonder so many of you dead.
And what are you, UBCS? Killing your own people?
He would have turned. There's your sense of self-preservation. Go back to the subway station. We don't need a
I already
bleeding
hate
heart
this
like
guy.
you getting in the way.
Oh shit. What's that? Training log? Yeah, that's cool and all. I kinda want you know, some health. What's that? I don't even know where to go. I mean, do I go this way? Wait, hold up. Yeah, okay, yeah. Oh, okay, so I can electrocute zombies. Okay, well, I'm gonna go here. Yo, you better not be alive. You better not be alive. Okay, suicide, no, okay, so you're not alive. Question answered. Oh. Oh, I'm dead. Oh. Plan B, okay. Alright, I do not like zombie dogs. Apparently. Yo, can my game load? Thank you. Okay, I mean, we've seen this, so. Okay, shotgun shells. Again. Thank you. Okay, yeah. Yeah, blah 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 blah, yeah, okay. Okay, I've got a plan. Hey! Where are they? Where are we? Come on. Come on. Hey! Stay dead! Stay dead. Both of you. Those shits. You know. Alright. Okay. Yo, what's down here? Uh-oh. Box, box! It's... Oh, wait, can I... Use? Okay, well, I'm not dead, so at least... I mean, it's better than nothing, right? I should have saved that. I'm probably gonna go in here and go find some, like, loads of green herbs. What's that? I know there's a zombie down there, but... Oh, hello. Oh. Peach. Boom. Oi! It did. Is there any ammo down here? Any ammo? No? Oh, alright. Yeah, what are you? Gunpowder? I'll save you. Oh, you got... I mean... What do I need? I mean, what do I have on me? Okay, now can I... Okay, good. Health? Or you? Oh, yes! Okay. Okay, let's save.
Oh, smells like. Oh, I don't even want to think about it.
What is that? What the? What is that? Yo, what? No. I know what I'm making. Ban. You. That. Use. Good. I'm good. Everyone's good. Some kind of... Wait, what? Wait. Okay. So, maggot things. They are bad. Don't go into them. Oh. Okay. Okay. Lockpicks. You're probably... You are probably not dead. Oh. Onward system. Okay. You are indeed not alive. What do I hear walking?
Oh my god.
Wait, is that the guy that just said he swallowed like herbs and shit and then... You know what, I don't want to know. Okay. Let's examine you. Ooh. Box. Oh, handgun ammo. Okay, that's got coming useful. Okay, so I'm assuming I have to use it on this door. Do I have to actually do the lock picking or? Oh, I do not. Okay, do I still have them lock picks or? Yeah, okay. What the fuck is that? disgusting. That is disgusting.
Get it
What the
out!
fuck?
Fucking gross.
Don't look right. Ooh, hello. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? I'm gonna try to use my. Okay, good news. At least they're not like extremely hard to kill. I just want to make sure nothing's like right near me when I do it. Okay. Oh, that is disgusting. That is disgusting. That is. Can you? You know what? I don't have any green herbs to swallow this time. So I'm actually screwed. Hold up. Oh mate, I'm done. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm dead. Okay. Well, I mean, at least I tried. Yeah. Yeah, I needed that. Oh god. Oh, that is disgusting. Okay, so that's how those things are born.
Here we go.
No, God. I don't have a recovery item though. I'm dead. I'm screwed. Like, there's no way of getting out of this. I mean, yeah. Okay, hold on, let me just load. Oh god, I don't know if you guys can hear my dogs. My dogs are going crazy right now. Hold up. Okay, that's him done. How about you don't do that? How about you stay there? Is that it? And that's it for now.
Here we go.
They're a fall. Hello. Green herbs. Alex, stab through it. Um. Oh. Oh no. There's another one, I saw it. And I'm out of ammo almost. Okay. Yes. Yes. I mean, what? Shit. Oh no. Okay. So, if I try and combine that. You. Okay. Then you. And put that in here. Fuck off. Cool. Yes. Yeah, I saw you then, big man. Oh no, oh yeah.
Done. Time to get the hell out of here.
Alright. Oh. Okay, I think I'm gonna get out of here. Then I'm gonna end it there. Is this the right way? Yes, it is. Okay. Oh god.
Okay. All that leaves is the main power switch.
Oh.
Enjoy.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna save that. Okay. Alright, I think that's gonna be it for this one. And yeah, see you in part 3. When, hopefully, we can get those people doing shit. So yeah. Sort of, I don't know if I was quiet because I was trying to focus on not being, you know, like impregnated alien style by those little buggy things. But yeah. Alright. Alright. See you in the next one, guys.